Hello, are we live? Yes, we are. What is up, guys? Hope you're doing well. We are going to talk about web design today, and we're going to go through a bunch of sites that I've used in the past. Although I didn't include WordPress in the description, but I included Wix, Squarespace, and Kajabi. Kajabi is what I use for my ParEdits website. So I think we're going to start there. So let's dive in. Bada bing. Okay. So we are good here, and let's go to Kajabi. So maybe I can just Kajabi.com. Just want to show you guys this website. So what we really care about most right now is getting our brand message out there. It's nice and clear, and our website and the design of it goes well with exactly what we're talking about. So for me, I like to talk about helping brands grow and succeed, and teaching people how to make videos and everything within that scope. And then I also offer brand services like logo design and logo animation and creating brand video assets. So um, let's dive into that. So this is Kajabi. It is a web hosting platform, helps you design your own website and also host your own courses, which is what I have available as well. Shameless plug. And so we're going to go to my website. So this website was built on Kajabi, okay? What's up, Rajiri? Hope you're doing well, man. Good to see you. We are diving deeper into web design. So hopefully this sparks your interest. Okay, so we're looking at my website, and I figure we should just review it. I even might take notes on my own review of my website because I've never sat down and try to have an objective point of view towards it. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so we're looking at my site right now, and I know my face blocks it, so maybe I can turn it off for a second. Okay, so this is one of my biggest brand messages, right? Are you struggling to grow your brand with video? Because I work with video, I work with brands, and I want to know if I can help you in either of those categories, okay? So that's what this free course is about. So that free course takes you to another page, but I just want to look at the homepage for now. So we've got your brand built by you or for you, your way. It looks like we can click on this, and obviously I kind of know this. I'm doing well, Roger. Thanks for asking. And yeah, so there's this. This looks like it goes to another link. This says meet your brand ambassador. So this is all about me. You guys can read this if you want. Go ahead and pause the video or whatever. But then I got a button to set up a meeting, and then I'm a Adobe authorized affiliate, so you can get deals on Adobe if you click through my links. And then yeah, some project updates. Watch tutorials on YouTube. So this website, it's got this parallax effect in the background, you see, where the image stays the same, but we still scroll. And then these are my live trainings, right? This is what I'm doing right now. Intro to web design. Let's go. Okay. So we're looking at this, and then testimonials. This could totally be spiced up a bit. These are really old. And then just like an email sign up. So the bottom of this page needs to be much better. But basically, all in all, this homepage speaks to what I'm trying to do. And it's not the flashiest homepage in the world. I mean, it's got this little chat bot, which is cool. It shows up so that you can have your own helpful guide, and it's it's a bot, so it's an assistant first, and then and then you can actually reach out to me specifically. So yeah, I'm just basically created this website looking to help people. I want to add, I have videos that I can put up here, but I am just not there yet. Haven't spent a lot of time on this website, and I think you guys reviewing it with me would be pretty awesome. If you guys gave me some of your feedback, I would definitely appreciate it. So yeah, and then so we got the about page. See what this is. So this just talks about ParEdits and what's going on and everything it has to offer. Here's the help center, another meet the founder, bring services. You did have a good time with the bot, didn't you, Roger? I know you did. I think a lot of people do. I need to adjust it a little bit. I think if you don't talk to the ParEdits Facebook page for a little while, and then you try to say something again, it sends a message from the bot, but I'm not sure. I have to adjust like the triggers for it. Okay, so this is my branding service, right? So here's a video here, talks about me, where I'm coming from, how I can help you. This is my logo design service. So right here, if you click on this video, there's some music, my brand music, and then book a meeting button, and then we can like, get a helpful guide here. Okay, so I know I'm basically doing like a tour of my website, but like this, the design and what I say on a regular basis should speak to the design of this website, right? So, and then I also got my live training page, which is really just a hub for the live trainings, right? So if I click this play button, like I'll start watching myself what I'm currently doing. I'm currently live streaming to you guys. So this is a good live stream hub. Then I got my links, everything I'm asking you guys to do is as accurate as possible, right? And then the help center. So if you have any questions, there's a bunch of information here. So everything on the course, any questions you have on that are answered in there. And yeah, so let's go back here, okay? So Kajabi allows you to make a site like this. It's not bad. I have this button here. I click on this button, opens a new tab, and then I get to my free course sign up, okay? And so this is what I want, basically, like...
I'm really excited that you're here.
That's me. This is what I want. Oh, it's just loading really slow. Sorry, guys. But this is what I want, like, everyone to notice. Hello, how's it going? I want everyone to understand what goes into this page, because this page is the one that's really trying to like tell people what's going on. So like it's trying to be like, hey, there's something that you can get after you watch this video or read everything on this page. And so accuracy and the organization in which you tell people things is very important. So it's a big title asking them what they're trying to do. It's a subtitle telling them what they can get, and then a video detailing everything. But if you keep scrolling, you don't want to watch the video, you can see extra information here, of course, enrollment deadline. Here's a timer for the enrollment deadline, okay? And then your step-by-step transformation. So that's the thing that people really care about at the end, is what's going to happen at the end when they go through the course. And so this details it out. There's a little graphic here, community that they can be a part of. It says right here. Here's the outline. So if they want more information, it says what each section of the video is about. Down here, another meet your instructor, like we've seen in the past. Transform your videos to get more views, right? And then more testimonials, and that's it. Okay. So there can always be more that can be added to a page like this, and I think keeping it clear and concise. It's like if what you're offering is like this short little 90-minute course, right? Then maybe you don't need like a landing page that's like super long. So like let's see if I can show an example. No, I lost it. Does he still have the landing page? Yes. Okay, so this is a super expensive consulting program. I don't even know if it's gonna load, but I wanted to show you guys a landing page that's like 100,000 like words long. But really, let's skip that and let's go to Wix. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my personal website. Let's see if I can sign in here. Continue with Google. Log me in, baby. Okay, so this is my personal portfolio website. I made it on Wix. I'm going to show you guys how I used it. Okay, so if we go in here, how do I forgot. Edit site. Okay. So hopefully this loads well, because while streaming, it doesn't really have fantastic load times. But we shall see. It does say coming soon. Let's X out of these. I don't need those anymore. Come on, Chrome. Okay. Here's my website. I also got this little nav bar up here. Supposed to be a video background going, but it's still loading. Okay, I've got my logo up top. It's basically like my ParEdits logo, but a little different. Okay, so this is the Wix designer. Okay, so as we look at this, we can see I have this is supposed to be a video background. Here, let me show you it. Separate.com. There it is. So there's the video background. Okay, and then we scroll down. And you'll see this video background is my demo reel that I made way back. And so this is like the intro of it. And yeah, there's text on here that kind of doesn't really work well, but to me, it's not really about the text. It's about the effect of the video in the back. So that's me. This is a little video that I made, and it's not perfectly high res because you don't want super high res for a video background. Otherwise, it takes forever to load. But yeah, it's just for effect. I think I might make it more blurry because I'd rather things be blurry, like purposefully blurry, than accidentally low res. You know what I'm saying? So we scroll down and we see these 3 sections, right? We got ParEdits, the website, which I showed you guys, commercial and brand ads. So these are just two sections of my website where I've done the most work. Okay, so then here's me, there's contact, and then here are some videos that you can watch if you just hover over them. So there's one of my tutorials there. These are some of the other brands that I worked with. Okay, so this is a Budweiser event, Orange State Fitness, all this stuff. Okay, so with all of this, we can go to commercial and brand ads. Okay. Yeah, I made my portfolio website using Wix. That is correct. And I'm waiting for it to load here, but it doesn't want to load. Okay. So then here's my commercial side. So yeah, I just made this website real quick, and these are just video players, and I organized the videos to be inside of these players. Okay. And then also, let's see, shows. Man. Okay. This live stream is making it harder for me to use Google Chrome. So yeah, this is the movie that I worked on. And then this is The Goat Show, which was a podcast.
How many followers do you have right now?
So these were the people that I was working with. So this is just my portfolio, right? So I made all of this on Wix, and it's very straightforward. Here's the about me, and it looks like this, okay? And it doesn't take long. Like, I just used a template. So if I just, like, maybe I can go to, like, my about me. So this is the editor. I mean, it took me maybe, like, a few hours to get a draft, and then refining it over the years has taken me multiple hours, right? But it doesn't take too long. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So we got design, we can click on edit, and we can see inside of here, section design, right? Title, about me, or about Semperetti, and then here's a description. Here's the image that I placed. Here's a button that says email me. And then this is a big section design button. Okay. Oh, you guys can see this. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Here we go. So for the section design button, it gives you all these different suggestions on how you can do things, right? So, and basically you just click on one and then you just adjust from there. And so I kind of liked the simplistic left-right design here over any other design, but I can make it, I can flip it and make the text centered. So everything's kind of like done for you. You just got to explore. And the more you explore, the more creative you get. So, yeah. So then that's what you can do in Wix, and Squarespace is basically the same thing. Now, I have not built a website on Squarespace, but I've used it before, and this is Jen's website, and her website is built from Squarespace. See, so she's got a lot of parallaxes going. She even has this pop-up, right? And all this going on. So Squarespace is not that different of an editor from Wix. They're two sites. They're both competitors. Okay, so like you can just, I mean, I think Squarespace has some integrations. Like she has integrations with Acuity. So see all this. Like she does fitness classes. So if you can see here, uh, all of her group training classes, which I would highly recommend you guys do, especially during quarantine. Um, all of her group training classes are available through Acuity, which is integrated with Squarespace. So certain, like Squarespace and Wix, have different integrations. And for me, I don't use all the integrations on Wix because I just want my site to be a simple portfolio. But yeah. Hey Rogeri, no, I don't use coding. I know HTML, but if there's a website service that does things faster than raw coding, then I will let them do it. I will not do the coding if someone else can do it for me, so I can save some time. So yeah, and then let's go into the Kajabi editor. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that. So this is my Kajabi. All right, so Kajabi is not the best. I don't know. It's not perfect when it comes to understanding how they allow you to do certain customizations. But what you can do is on every page, you can kind of like build a website yourself. That's kind of what I did. I didn't use their real like design because I wanted to be more custom in how my website worked. But if we go in here, let's just go to. I guess we could go to my homepage. But yeah, if we hit customize on the homepage, it's going to open up the builder. And inside the builder, we've got all these, little features, right? So we can just start editing things. We can just click on this, replace the text here. You can see some of it's white. We can center it. We can change the container width. Now, and on some of my other pages, we can do some animations. So I think I'll show you guys that instead. So let's go back. Delete this. What do I want to show you guys some pipeline pages. Okay, so I'll show you my landing page that I showed you earlier. So yeah, basically, all in all, like generally, you want to make sure that you're picking the right web hosting platform, whether it's Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, or Kajabi. It's probably not going to be Kajabi unless you make courses. But you want to make sure you choose one that allows you to save time and makes it easier. Gosh, come on, load for me. That's going to save time and make it easier for you to get your message out there, okay? Now, you don't have to hire someone else to do this. It really doesn't take that long to make your own website. Literally, you can sign up for Wix or Squarespace or any of these and spend an entire day, just spend a day, like whether it's Saturday or Sunday, working on your website, and you can make something that really works for you. And it's got all of your messages in there. It's got your videos attached to it. You've set up your forms. People can get on your email list. Like, it's not bad. As far as what they charge per month, good question, Rajiri. Wix per month, I think, is between $12 and $17 a month. That's what I do, just to host that website, which is not bad at all. Now, Kajabi is a different story. Kajabi is a big animal because it also has email marketing, so you can automate your emails, and then it also, like, it's a big platform. It's got like a community aspect to it, as you can tell from the ParEdits community if you've ever jumped in there. And then, this builder, this landing page builder and website builder, it's like an all-in-one like tool. So it's ranging between like $150 to $200 a month. And then Squarespace, I think, is also in that $15 a month range. It goes up if you want more premium features. And then WordPress totally varies. What's up, man? What's up, Mohammed? How you doing? So each one, Oh, no worries, man. But each one of these web hosting platforms. Oh, just to catch you up, Mohammed. I'm just talking about like different web hosting platforms like Wix and Squarespace. This is Kajabi right now, which I don't expect you guys to use, but the reason why I'm showing you guys is because this is where I've built my website, and I want to express how like easy it is to use a web hosting software to help boost your brand message and put it out there effectively and really quick. You don't have to hire someone to do it. If you know coding, even if you know coding, and you want to build your own website, like that takes a long time. Why not just put up some like standard website that you spend a day on, and then you've got everything up and everything's running, and then you can code your website on the side and upgrade it later. So like that's why I would recommend using like Squarespace or Wix or something like that. Because I'll show you again, Mohammed, just to catch you up. But yeah, we're doing well over here. Thanks, man. So this website, this is my website. This is my portfolio. So this was built in Wix. So I recommend anyone to use Wix because it took me like no time to fill this out, and it's very standard, straightforward. I just had to upload a bunch of videos. That's what really took the amount of time, or the longest amount of time. So
Hi,
like
my
these
name
are the
is James
videos that
Vikas.
I've made.
I'm general manager of the Millennium Hilton, located here in Lower
And
Manhattan.
yeah, so this was made in Wix, and then also you can do the same exact thing in Squarespace. It's just the way I see it is these web hosting platforms are so done for you, and they have tutorials where it's just so easy to just make any website that you want to make really fast and really easily. I mean, you can see their ads on like big sporting events, like they have them at like soccer stadiums and stuff like that. So like Squarespace sponsors like these big teams, and not so much Wix, but they always say like, just make your website in minutes. That's literally what you can do, and like you should do that. Like you should trade your time, or you should trade money for your time back, unless you just love coding. Then you can do it that way. But yeah, like the most important thing is not how your website looks. Because I mean, I did put a lot of effort in making my website look a certain way, but it's mostly about putting the right message out there. I'll tell you, do a video about Adobe Portfolio, how to use it. It's not much. Oh, Adobe Portfolio. Yeah. So that's the thing. Adobe Portfolio is kind of not even close to where Wix and Squarespace are at. So I tried using them, and they don't have nearly as much customization and functionality. But it does come with Creative Cloud, which is nice. But I think they might have additional charges. But let's look together. Adobe Portfolio. Oh no! Dang, Squarespace ad. All right, here we go. So yeah, I've tried to make a website on Adobe Portfolio before, and it's great. I think it's good for, I guess, yeah, it is good for portfolios. But sometimes you want your portfolio to be a little bit more than that, because I wanted to showcase my videos. Let's see, I'll show you again. So if we go to my portfolio page, I wanted to showcase my videos exactly in the fashion that I did, right? So if I go to my show productions, you can see, so I have the logo here, and then I have the description here, and then this was supposed to be a video, but I can't show the movie that I worked on, so I just put this image. And then, so here's the description, the logo, and then here's all the videos, right? So these are episodes that you can just click on. So Adobe Portfolio didn't really have the ability to do that. So yeah. So I don't know if they'll allow you to do it now, but if you see, like, they do look nice. And I mean, if you guys wanted, we could build one together. Just let me know, because I will definitely help you guys do that if you need it, especially you, Mohammed, if you're looking. So yeah, see, don't know HTML or CSS, no problem. With Portfolio, blah, 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 right? So it works. Like, this will definitely work. Like, photo grids, oh man. That's also what I noticed when I was looking at Portfolio. It's perfectly built for like a photography portfolio, right? Because all you need for photography portfolio is to just put your photos, on the screen, and then when you hover over them, they have little descriptions and like dates and stuff like that, and Click here to see more projects, like stuff like that. It's just galleries. Told you about it's linked with Behance and the Creative Cloud. Yeah, it is good, Mohammed. I think they put more. They have a better development team on like Photoshop and Premiere Pro and After Effects, all the big time heavy hitter apps, and InDesign and Lightroom, all those. Where I don't know if their development team is that great on Adobe Portfolio. Okay. Yeah, we could definitely dive into this together. Can't do it today, of course, because I'm running low on time, but I could definitely write this down for you. Dun, 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 dun. So we need, just gonna put it on Post-it. Mr. Mohammed, Sir Chaos Design, needs a tutorial on Adobe Portfolio. No problem. Because I mean, if it's easy and I can make one for myself, then I might just cancel my Wix and go for Adobe Portfolio. But we'll see. Yeah, and then I also do photography. So let's see if I can pull up my photography page. I think. Yes, here we go. So this is also a good spot for photos if you're doing photography, but not necessarily video. So like photography is like, it's such a common practice that like there's so many. It's also really easy to showcase photography on websites. About 8 minutes. We will, Rajuri. We will, trust me. We will definitely have more on After Effects and Premiere. Only 5 times. 5 times. You can only create 5. You can only create 5 portfolios. That's strange. No, I don't want to. I'm already signed in. I have a look at my Creative Cloud. I didn't know you could only create 5. That's really interesting. Where is it? Somewhere over here, right? Yeah, here we go. Oh, it just opens up the website. Yeah, see, I tried to make one 2 years ago. It didn't really work out that well for me. Oh, I see that. 5 sites. Interesting. Okay, that's good to know. But yeah, this is called Pixie Set. I don't know if you guys are interested in photography, but you can click inside of these projects and you can see all these photos. Oh, I guess I didn't upload very many, but yeah, a short clip about that upload on YouTube. Yeah, you're right, Rajiri. I definitely have some incoming short clips for you guys. I know that's integral to YouTube growth, but I like going live just so I can connect with you guys. Like, I think it's important to know what you guys want, because obviously Rajiri wants more Premiere Pro and After Effects videos, and that's, I love making those, and I've made a lot of those, and we could just keep diving in further on that. And then, I mean, honestly, Rajiri, if you want like, if you want like more specific help with Premiere and After Effects, like, why don't we could just like connect one-on-one. I mean, it doesn't have to be on these live trainings. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. And same with you, Mohammed. Like, we can seriously like get on a video call and just be like, okay, like, share your screen and let's look at some stuff. And I would love to help you brainstorm, come up with cool ideas, add cool effects to your videos, do some great designs in After Effects. I can even share my screen, show you how to do some things. I'll do some things for you. Like, I just think, if you just connect with me, like, I built that helpline for a reason. Like, I want you guys to use it because I'm all over the place with my schedule, because I have a lot of work to do all the time. And so if you guys pop up on my calendar, which I use religiously, my Google Calendar, then okay, Mohammed. I know, Mohammed, you're an expert. We know, we get it. You teach your teachers how to do things. I get it. But yeah, just connect with me. And then also, Mohammed, like if you want to make a portfolio together, we can do that one-on-one as well. We can make one specifically for you instead of me doing a live training where I'm talking to everybody. Like it's a lot easier to get the help that you actually want and that you actually need if I get to focus on you. And I want to be able to do that. Subscribe world after YouTube. No, you can sign up for my time. Like no joke. I don't mean no, bro. Oh, but you are Mohammed. I don't have a problem. So Mohammed, you don't have a problem with Premiere and After Effects. Okay, let me just show you guys where you can go /helpline. Okay. So I want to connect with you guys outside of these live streams as I'm 2 minutes over. Oops. Okay. So we're at the helpline. I mean that if you want to do Premiere. Oh, you need that too. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we will do more Premiere Pro and After Effects. It's in the lineup. I just wanted to go over this in case you guys needed help with web design, because that's also an area of expertise for me as well. So this is the ParEdits helpline. So you go here, you see this little pop-up, and then you're like, oh, what times does Sam have available today? Look at that. Between 3 and 5:30, you guys can sign up. Although, actually, I think I need to block that off. But you can do tomorrow at these times. And they vary. Like, they're not all the same every single day. See? Saturday, I only have sometimes here. But yeah, like, I want you guys to be able to connect with me. So you just come on here, you pick a time, hit confirm, type in your name, your email, phone number in case we get disconnected, blah, blah, blah. And then we'll talk for however long it takes. I mean, I want to connect with you guys. I think it's awesome. That's what I live for, is like the one-on-one connections. Like that's just how I do things. Like, I think it's more fun, it's more productive, it's more engaging. Yeah, it's just better. So yeah, with that, that's all I got for you guys. Please sign up for the helpline, so that we can talk like for reals. Like, this is for you and for me, because I have fun doing it, and I also want to be able to help you as much as I can. And also, I think it would benefit you in the long run. So yeah, sign up for this helpline, and I will see you guys on Sunday, right? Today's Thursday? Yeah. See you guys on Sunday. All right.
Yeah, good.